It's bow time! Hey Blue Merinos, we are going to make a bow for a wreath with this cute rick-rack ribbon. It's going to be adorable, and it's a very simple bow. I think you're going to like it, and I know you can do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is establish how long I want the tails to be. And for this project, I want them to be around 20 inches. I like a really nice long tail. And for that, for the right side of the bow, and this side of the tail, I'm going to cut it at an angle. So I have a nice angle cut right here. And this is going to come down the right side of my bow. So I'm going to measure it and then bring it to the center. Then twist. Now, I want to take and make my loops about 6 inches. And I'm going to start with 2 on either side. So 6 inches and twist. All right. And then here on the right at 6 inches. Same thing. Twist. You twist because I want the pretty side of the ribbon to stay to the outside, and then I pull this back with my left hand. So 6 inches over here to the center and twist. We'll do the same thing on the right, and I'm going to scrunch it down. Now I'm going to take these and cut them at opposite angles, and we've got it started. Now I've got the base of my bow started, and we call this first section on when we're going to name the recipe, we call this 2. So we have 2 loops because we just call the recipe of a bow off of one side for communication clarity. That's how we do it over here at Keleas. So far this recipe is a 2-2. I'm sorry, it's just a 2. Now we're going to add the next layer, and I like for this to come in and be about half the size of the other. So it's going to be about 10 inches to 12 inches, something like that. You can make it a little longer. And then this loop in the center is going to be at 5. So it's going to be a full inch shorter. And I'm going to twist it. And you can see how we separate the loops with the shorter loop. And the reason we're doing that is we want our eye to kind of pull in to the center of the bow. It pulls in. I'm going to cut this on this side. And look, you can already see your bow coming to shape. You just have to fluff it out a little bit. So that's pretty neat. We're building it from the back forward. So the next move is now we're going to take and grab a cable tie. And I'm going to use just a short 8-inch one here. And we're going to run that right down the center. Okay. Put a finger on top and gently pull that up. Now this is probably the most difficult part when you first start out, because if you have multiple layers, you're really worried about it just flying off there. So I'm going to add pressure. And now we're going to do this where we fluff it together. So I'm going to rotate that to the back. It's not tight yet. The cable tie is still loose. And I'm going to fluff each layer up right now. Okay, and I'm going to section each piece. Look how pretty. All right, isn't that gorgeous? And then I want to come around to the back and add a cable tie in the middle. Right here, and just pull that tight. Okay, and I'm going to trim that off. Okay, so that pokey part is trimmed off. And I've got just a really pretty, fun, loopy bow with these great tails. See how pretty it is? Now my next step is going to be to cover the center, because instead of having a loop in the center, I like to have that recess and add a little bit of ribbon there. So if you'll just grab your rick-rack ribbon again, because this is so stinking cute. And of course, if you want to know where you can grab this ribbon, it's on Keleas.com, and we will send you the link. And if you want to know what project we're using this bow in, we'll share that with you too. Just ask in the comments, and we'll get you the link you need to get you where you need to go. But it's all over on Keleas.com. Look how cute that's going to be. I just folded the rick-rack to the center. Now just come in here and tie a little knot. Get that tight and trim these off. Trim and trim. Okay. And I will turn that around, and look how stinking cute. All right, Blue Merinos, you can make this easy 2-1 bow also. And I'm happy to show you how. So enjoy, y'all, because we're going to have fun with flowers, and we're going to put this ribbon on there.